What do a diamond, a smartphone battery, and the air you're breathing have in common? They're all built from the same tiny puzzle pieces. And the master key to that puzzle? The periodic table. This isn't just a chart on your classroom wall. It's the ultimate cheat sheet of the universe. Let's unlock its secrets. Meet Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist with a serious knack for patterns. In 1869, he laid out the very first periodic table. But here's the twist. He left gaps. Instead of assuming his chart was incomplete, he predicted that unknown elements would fill those spaces. He even wrote down their future properties. And sure enough, when elements like gallium, scandium, and germanium were discovered, they matched his predictions almost perfectly. Mendeleev basically pulled off the greatest science mic drop of the 19th century. So why is carbon the celebrity of life? Look at its spot on the table, smack in the middle of row 2. Carbon has 4 outer electrons, giving it a superpower. It can form 4 stable bonds. That means it can connect in chains, rings, and branches, like molecular Lego bricks. This flexibility is why everything from DNA to proteins to the cells in your body are carbon-based. Not too reactive, not too boring. Carbon is the Goldilocks of elements. Without it, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Here's where the periodic table flexes its predictive muscles. Move across a row from left to right, and atoms shrink, because more protons are pulling their electrons tighter. That's why sodium is soft and reactive, while its neighbor magnesium is tougher and more stable. Move up and to the right, and electronegativity increases. Atoms get hungrier for electrons. Fluorine? It's basically the vacuum cleaner of the periodic table, snatching electrons whenever it can. These periodic trends aren't random. They're the patterns that make chemistry predictable and powerful. So the next time you glance at the periodic table, don't just see a bunch of colored boxes. See the story of how scientists predicted the future, the reason carbon is the backbone of life, and the hidden rules that explain how atoms interact. It's not just a chart, it's a map of everything, everywhere, all at once. Stay curious and keep exploring the chemistry of the universe. Stay curious and keep exploring the chemistry of the universe.